So yesterday I picked up these devices. You got a couple iPads, 11 Pro Maxes, 14 Pro Max, 12, and then another 11 Pro Max. I bought these phones for parts. So the total cost of everything was $400. So what I started doing, right? Some of these shits had passwords on it, right? So what I do, I check the serial number on all of them, right? And then we go to this website, right? Look, man, we went on SICW and we just started checking all things that we just had got, right? This iPad, right, is 12.9, right? It's cracked on the front and shit, right? This shit had a password on it, right? But when I looked on SICW, it didn't have no iCloud on it. Look. All right, so you see this, right? 12.9, 256 gigabyte, 4th generation, Wi-Fi cell, fire. You see what that says, right? iCloud off. Vibes. So off rip, I'm already in the green, bro. So, and look, don't forget, it came with this too. We already know what this is. So listen, bro, get involved, bro. This is going to sell for at least $450 to $500. Get involved. I am an expert in this field. Do I have to show you some money? Bro, you want to make some of this cash? Watch the videos, bro. I got a lot of free content on YouTube, on Instagram. I give straight game. Or if you really want to invest in yourself, cop the ebook. It don't cost that much. So I'm going to see you later, man. I'll see you on the inside, baby. You feel me?